How to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Opera GX application on your device. I have opened the application on my laptop. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Opera GX, and now tap on the settings button on the left side toolbar firstly, and you will be led to the settings page of Opera GX. And now scroll down and you will see the option for sounds. Tap on that, and at the bottom you will see the option for keyboard shortcuts. So go ahead and adjust the slider you see there and set the volume to your preferred sound. You can also tap on the set drop down and then set the drop down to number 1 or number 2. And if you do not want the keyboard sound at all, then you can go ahead and toggle off the button for keyboard sounds, and this is how you can change keyboard sound on Opera GX. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.